Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's been a long time. It's been a while. But I wanted to do a quick video because I miss you guys. Doing a quick review. A little backstory. Just trying to eat better. But I gotta find out. I was looking for like things I can snack on to curb my hunger. This and that. You know what I'm saying. And so today, I found these Abound organic strawberry soft baked breakfast bars. I've been trying to fast in the morning and not eat anything till like 11. A friend of mine had posted that she was trying that out and seeing some good results. So I wanted to give it a whirl. But today I went out and I just need a snack here and there, so I don't eat like heavy when I'm actually hungry. So I picked these up. Organic strawberry, no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners, no high fructose corn syrup. So, real fruit filling. All right, 8 grams whole grains. If you guys have tried these, leave me a comment and let me know how that goes. But before we go any further, please smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Leave me a comment, little hello kind of thing, whatever. But let me let's get into it. All right. So, um, let me see. I'm in my car right now, but let's check this out. All right, how many? 2, 4, 6 come in a box. These were like, it was like $3 and change. Not too bad. So I went for it. They come individually packed, so you can take one like on the go, put one in your desk, put one in your bag. But let's try this out. Right now it's like about 11 o'clock, so this will be my morning snack. This is what they look like out of the package. They feel soft. Well, that's nice actually. Oh yeah. All right. So let's check it out. I like strawberries. Do you like strawberries? My mom's allergic to strawberries, but she'll still eat them. Mother. Um, Let me know if you like strawberries or if you would prefer like a different filling. Um, Blueberries. I'm not a big fan of blueberries. Like I can I can eat them, but they're not my favorite. Um, Strawberries, I could do strawberries. I could do strawberry filling. So here we go. Let's try it out. Super soft. Oh, that's good. The the outside tastes like the outside kind of tastes like banana bread. Like if you've had banana bread, kind of tastes like that. The strawberry inside is really good. Reminds me of a fruit roll up, but like the balance between them, it's yeah, that's on point. Um, yeah, I like these a lot. I think all in all, these are a good choice for like breakfast on the go, um, or just a quick little snack, curve your hunger kind of thing throughout the day. I'm definitely gonna buy these again. These are really good. I've had like all the other, bars like this, but These are organic. Trying to go organic. I can dig them. I recommend these for sure. Not bad. If you eat in your car though, you're gonna have to vacuum for sure. But if that's all you got to worry about. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give these a 10. Yep, I give them a 10. Let me know if you've had these before, or if you've had different, breakfast bars. Tell me what you think. Oh, these are really good. I might mess around and eat too many, but I'm gonna hold off because we're eating good, we're eating healthy, we're eating right. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe. As usual, you guys are the best. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.